When they say making everything in an air fryer makes it crispier, they weren't joking. Turkey leg in an air fryer is no joke. I start off with some vegan butter and mix in some of my homemade chili oil. Now I get it in the microwave for a couple seconds just to soften it up. I use vegan butter because I can't mix meat and milk, so the vegan butter works out quite nicely. I mix it up well to make it a nice homogeneous mix. Then I add in some smoked paprika. You can use normal paprika if you want, and a good amount of garlic powder. I give it a nice little mix, and then I pour that marinade all over the turkey. I mix it very, very well, and I try to coat it as much as possible all over. I even try to get it sometimes under the skin itself. All those bits and pieces from the chili oil, I really put into the skin to get extra flavor. Then I get out my meter probe and I poke it into the thigh section, wherever is the meatiest part of the meat. And to cook it up, I'm using my Ninja Indoor Foodie Grill. I'm using the air crisp mode, setting it to 400, and I'm putting the time to 35 just to get it higher, but I'll know it's done when the meter app tells me it hits that 165 target. Close the lid, press start, and now we wait for preheating. Once it tells me to add the food in, I do exactly that. For a more deeper and richer flavor, you can let this marinate for an hour to overnight, but this is a quick and easy meal. Close the cover and let it go. As soon as the probe tells us it's done, it's time to open it up, and look at that. The skin is insanely crispy. Look at it, you can even see the crispiness. I want to take my fork just so you can hear it. You hear that noise? Unbelievable. I remove it from the heat just like the app tells me. Scrape it a little bit more just so you can see. And let's do the taste test. Alright, let's take a bite. Hot. Wow. The chili oil is a bit spicy, but it's incredible flavor. Incredible. The buttery flavor gets under the skin. It's very juicy. I'm gonna let it cool down a bit more, but my goodness, unbelievable. Crispy skin, very good flavor. Gonna make it again. If you like this video, check out some of the other ones we have going on. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up.